Okay, this is some sort of pet thing. I can't remember what this was that I even ordered. Embarrassing. Let's see. So it's felt. And, oh, it's for dog toys. I see. It's dog toys. So this is her little dog toy thing. And I guess we have to set it up with the handles on it here. Boy. Okay, so there's, now we're set up with the handle on that side. And then the handle on this side. Penny, you get all the best stuff. Okay, there we go. So there, now we have a dog toys little crate. And I will go, it's kind of collapsing on me, but once I fill it up with toys, it'll be filled up. She'll have all her stuff in there. How cool is that? It's a good size. So there we go. Good girl. Okay, thumbs up.